The press is supposed to be in a constant posture of skepticism, fierce criticism, fierce skepticism, but that is gone now, and the role has been reversed, where they're supposed to be speaking truth to power, but they are defending power to people who challenge it. Democracies only function where there's a free flow of information and where the best governing policies rise to the top in the marketplace of ideas. It was a war on the poor. It was a war on people of color. It was a war on all of our values. It was just one guy, an unelected technocrat who's been there for 50 years, never been in an election. They tell you the only way to survive for you and your children is by complete obedience to these authorities. And the people who are being locked up and abused become grateful to their captors, and they come to see anybody who interferes or criticizes their captors as a dangerous person.
What's crazy to me, Robert, is that I had these discussions in 2020, and yet nobody could even hear that at that point. And a lot of people still don't believe a lot of this assertions you're saying here, but you put all this forward with the science and data as this letter to your liberals.
I don't want anybody to believe what I say. I don't ask anybody to believe what I say or any claims. I say, here's what the science says as I'm reading it. If you see something that I'm not seeing, let's talk about it. Our democracy needs that, and we're not getting it. We're getting one side.